Hello to everyone. I hope you are all fine by the grace of Allah. Welcome to our day 3 of spoken English course. And today we will discuss about communication. Communication is an essential part of our lives and it is important to develop effective communication skills. Effective communication skills can help you to convey your message clearly, build stronger relationships and achieve your certain goals. In this video, we'll be discussing some tips to improve your communication skills. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. But before starting it, please go to my channel and subscribe it. Number 1. Be clear and concise. When communicating with others, it is important to be clear and concise. Avoid using complex language and try to simplify your message. Use short sentences and avoid using jargons or technical terms that the other persons may not able to understand. Number 2. Listen carefully. Effective communication is not just about talking, but also about listening. Listen carefully to what the other person is saying to you. And ask questions if you are unsure about anything. Show that you are interested in what they have to say by maintaining a consistent eye contact and nodding your head. And make a very good smile as well. Number 3. Use body language. Your body language can also convey a lot of information about what you are saying. Maintain good posture and use appropriate facial expressions and gestures to emphasize your message. Avoid crossing your arms or legs as this can convey defensiveness or disinterest. Number 4. Be respectful. When communicating with others, it's important to be respectful. Avoid interrupting or talking over others or don't dismiss their ideas or opinions. Show empathy and understanding even if you don't agree what they are saying, but still focus on other person saying. Number 5. Practice active. Practice active listening is a technique that can help you to improve your communication skills. It involves paying attention to the other person or other persons asking questions to you and paraphrasing what they have said to ensure that you have completely understood their messages correctly. Number 6. Use the right tone. Your tone of voice can convey a lot of information about what you are saying. Speak clearly and with a friendly tone or a professional tone and avoid using a tone that can be interrupted or you can say aggressive or confrontational. Number 7. Be open-minded. When communicating with others, it's important to be open-minded. Be willing to listen to new ideas and perspectives and don't be afraid to change your own opinions based on any sort of new information. Number 8. Confidence. Good communication skills can also help to build your confidence. When you are able to communicate effectively, you are more likely to feel confident and feel self-assured, which can help you to speak more fluently and most effectively. Number 9. Practice and practice. Finally, the practice is the best way to improve your communication skills. Everything you know that if you practicing it, that it will become a perfect one day. Whether speaking in front of a mirror, practicing with a friend, or joining a public speaking group, the more you practice, the more you become confident and effective you will become in English language. Number 10. Be prepared. Whether you are giving a presentation or having a detailed conversation, it's important to be prepared. Plan out what you want to say and anticipate any questions or concerns that the other persons may ask you in front of many people. This can surely help you to feel more confident and articulate. Number 11. Follow up. After a conversation or a meeting, it's a good idea to follow up with the other person. You can say that, send a thank you note or email, or have a good recap of the main points of the conversation, or having a phone call to say thanks and discuss about the details. This can help you basically to reinforce your messages and to build a stronger relationship with the other person. Number 12. Building relationships. Communication skills are important for building relationships. When you are able to communicate effectively, precisely, and fluently, you are able to build stronger relationships with the others, which can certainly help you to achieve your goals. By following these all tips and techniques, you can certainly improve your communication skills and become a more effective communicator. Remember, effective communication is not just about what you say, but also how you deliberate it or how you say it. So be mindful of your tone, your body language, your body postures, and other nonverbal cues. Good luck with your spoken English challenge. I hope you find my video useful, productive, effective, knowledgeable, and interested. And you are keep following please my all videos on my YouTube channel. If you like my video, please give a huge thumb up and go and please subscribe to my channel. I will catch you in the next upcoming video of day 4 of our Spoken English Challenge course with a new and exciting, amazing topic. Till then, please remember me in your prayers and have a good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.